Good morning again. Let me give you the answers for the multiple choice questions. Which one of the following is not a fundamental quantity? A. Electric current, B. Density, C. Temperature, D. Mass. The answer is B. Density. Number 2. What is the SI unit of temperature? Degree Celsius, degree Fahrenheit, rank Kelvin. The answer is Kelvin. Number 3. What is the symbol for the fundamental quantity electric current? I, E, C, M. The answer is I. Number 4. What is the symbol for fundamental quantity time? Capital T, small letter T, small letter L, small letter S. The answer is small letter T. Number 5. Candela is the SI unit for mass, length, luminous intensity, time. The answer is luminous intensity. Number 6. What is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram, second, pounds, meter. The answer is kilogram. Number 7. The SI unit for amount of substances: kilogram, meter, mole, Kelvin. The answer is mole. Number 8. The system for units SI was agreed. A conference in which country? Jamaica, France, USA, Italy. The answer is France. Have a nice time.